radiation deflections, how alpha, beta, and gamma deflect, it's very important to understand Newton's second law of motion and the mass of each radiation. Okay? So starting with gamma, gamma has zero mass. So this means gamma will just pass through straight across any field, whether it's an electric field or a magnetic field. Now, according to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to mass times acceleration, which states that for a constant force, the mass, force is equal to mass times acceleration, acceleration is inversely, so a smaller mass will accelerate more and vice versa. Obviously, the smaller the mass of an object, the greater the acceleration with a constant force. The greater the mass of an object, applying the constant force, it will be less the acceleration, because the heavier the object, more mass, harder to make a change in motion. Less mass, less inertia, easier to make a change in motion. So we know alpha is already heavier than beta, right? Alpha, the mass is 4 atomic mass unit, which is equal to the helium atom. So this means that because of heavier mass, the acceleration on it is less and it will deflect, but with a very small angle of declination or curved angle. So it will deflect the least when passing any field, whether it be a magnetic field or electric field. Beta has a mass of 1 over 1840, which is equivalent to the mass of the electron. Because of its such low mass, the acceleration on the beta particle is very high. Hence, it will deflect very largely with a great angle of declination, so it will deflect the most when passing any magnetic or electric field. Now remember, electric field is always from positive to negative, and magnetic field is always from the North Pole to the South Pole. X represents into the paper and out represents out to the paper. According to Newton's second law of motion, alpha has the most mass, so it will deflect the least because the acceleration on the alpha particle is the least. Beta has the least mass, so it will have a greater acceleration, so it will deflect the most. And gamma has zero mass, zero charge. It will not deflect neither in an electric field nor in a magnetic field.